Today we're taking a look at Cooler Master's new all-in-one streaming device, the StreamEnjin. With its sleek design and simple control layout, the StreamEnjin lets everyone live stream easily to streamers of all levels. On the front, you have 8 numbered buttons for your 8 scene transitions. The light color will indicate which scene you have for your program and preview. On the right, there's a toggle to control your transition speed, or you can cut directly from one to another. The auto button allows you to switch the scene based on your preset time of up to 3-second transition time. Next, we have our audio controls. There's a volume knob, buttons for audio source selection. To the right is the SRC PGM button, which lets you view your source or program for monitoring your work. Finally, you have your live and pause buttons to control when you want to live broadcast your work. Now to take a look at the back inputs. Starting from the left, we have the SRC PGM HDMI output. This connects to a monitor to preview your mixed content. You have the HDMI 1 input and HDMI loop out to connect to a display to see your activity in the app. You then have the HDMI 2 inputs, where you can choose between input A or input B. Next is the Ethernet input for internet connection, followed by the USB to connect to an external drive to record your stream. Next are your line in and mic inputs. Finally, we have the power source. On the side of the device, you will see the USB link to connect to your iPad. For iPads with USB-C connection, only use the included USB-C cable to connect, as standard USB-C cables will not work. There is also a headphone jack for sound output. Now let's take a look at the iPad app. You will be using this to do your editing prior to broadcasting, as well as scene selection during your live stream. You can see your preset scenes as well as your program and preview feeds. You can select your preview scene with the hardware buttons, or simply tap the iPad scene for selection. You can also control your sound volume and transition through the app. That wraps up the quick start for the StreamEnjin. For a deeper look into the app's software, please check in with us to explore all the customization we can do for your live stream content.